Hello, racing enthusiasts. Today, let's delve into the rich history and recent developments at the Wisconsin International Raceway, affectionately known as WIR. What makes this venue a cornerstone of Wisconsin's motorsports scene? Let's find out. What is the history of Wisconsin International Raceway? Established on May 30th, 1964, WIR began as the KK Sports Arena, featuring a quarter-mile dirt oval track. Over the years, it expanded to include a half-mile D-shaped dirt track and a paved drag strip, which opened on June 5, 1966. The half-mile track was paved in 1968, and the facility was renamed Wisconsin International Raceway in 1971. What events and features does WIR offer? WIR boasts a diverse range of racing activities, including oval track racing. The venue hosts 6 divisions with super late models and late models racing on the half-mile track, while super stocks, Sport 4s, and Wisconsin sport trucks compete on the quarter-mile track. Drag racing. The quarter-mile drag strip accommodates various classes, such as Top Eliminator, Hot Rod Eliminator, and Junior Dragsters. Special events. Notable events include the Red, White, and Blue State Championship Series and the Dixieland 250, attracting prominent drivers and teams. What is the Eve of Destruction? Since 1993, WIR has hosted the annual Eve of Destruction, a fan-favorite event featuring unconventional races like chain races, trailer races, and school bus competitions. This spectacle draws large crowds, eager to witness the thrilling and often chaotic action. Have there been recent incidents at WIR? Unfortunately, motorsports carry inherent risks. In September 2024, a 65-year-old driver tragically lost his life following a crash at WIR's drag strip. This incident serves as a somber reminder of the importance of safety in racing. What does the 2025 schedule look like? WIR has an exciting lineup for 2025, including Fox River Racing Club's Thursday Night Thunder, running from May 22nd through August 28th, featuring weekly super late model races, Red, White, and Blue State Championship Series, scheduled for June 12th, July 17th, and August 14th. Eve of Destruction, set for Friday, September 5th, promising another night of thrilling entertainment. In conclusion, Wisconsin International Raceway stands as a testament to the enduring passion for motorsports in Wisconsin. From its humble beginnings to its current status as a premier racing venue, WIR continues to offer thrilling experiences for drivers and fans alike. Thank you for joining us on this journey through WIR's legacy. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of motorsports.